So being IEEE member, so we can learn a lot of things about diversity and inclusion and equality. This is a very useful advantage to being an IEEE member. Currently, social problem is really complicated, and even in robotics field, we have to consider diversity and inclusion and ethics and so on, so to solve the social problems.
We wanted to have a Women in Engineering forum at IROS to listen from the voices of the women in our society. We also wanted to listen from the audience, so we tried to see what is the perception of the status of women in the society, and we also showed some data that were somehow unexpected, so there was a nice discussion on not only the status but what we see in the future for the role of women in robotics and automation.
Actually, I think it is improving. So, however, still the gender ratio in IEEE is almost 15% all over the world, and we should increase the number of the female engineers. So therefore, we have to encourage young generations to join IEEE and engineering field and work together.
I think that if they're passionate, there is not much that is needed, because passion is really the main driver. We heard this from many voices on the stage today. It's really the main driver for women to pursue a career. It is probably just the same for everybody to pursue a career. So passion is the first thing. Hard work we heard, and of course we don't want discrimination, but I don't think this is a major problem if women really want to pursue their ambitions, their expectations, their dreams. So I think this is what is really important.
I would say that the important thing is to show your passion, and this is unstoppable. As long as you have passion, nothing can stop you. You will see that there are a lot of things you can do to help everybody in society, and with your passion, you will do it, no matter what. From my point of view, I think that showing the results, the practical results of what you do is the best way of inspiring girls, because we are very interested in applications that have an impact on society. So I think showing this, the potential of robotics in general, engineering in general, is a good way of convincing and making it more attractive for women.
First of all, half of the population are women, right? So there is no point to exclude women from discussing something innovative. So I think that the female perspective is very important if you want to make a contribution to society. So I have a message to encourage girls. So being a different is not a bad thing, and you don't need to imitate role models. You can be yourself, and you can do whatever you are dreaming of.